everyone, I'm very excited to share with you our Hamilton Beach brand Stack and Snap food processor. This is the 12 cup capacity size with 5 different functions. You can chop, shred, slice, puree, and knead with this model. I'm really impressed with the brand that they have designed a food processor that they have not only included a kneading tool, but even on the base there's also a kneading button. I've never seen this with any other food processor. And they've also designed it beginner friendly. If you've never used a food processor before, this is a great choice because you can easily put it together, you can easily take it apart, and all of the parts are dishwasher safe. It comes with an easy to follow manual with instructions on how to use the machine and a guide on how to use each of the accessories. And I'll show you how to take it apart. You just undo the sides and then the top comes off. It just lifts off. So unlike other models that I've used before, you have to twist it and turn it. They're kind of difficult to get in place. With this model, you just lift up. This is the base with 4 different functions. You've got your off button, slice and shred, puree and knead, and pulse to chop. Another nice feature this has is that there's actually suction cups on the bottom of it. It's an extra safety feature so that the machine is not moving around on your countertop while it's running. The base, you just want to wipe it clean with a damp cloth, and then all of the parts that come with it can go in the dishwasher. And this is how you put it back on. They've included this chopping blade, which also purees. And then if you want to just remove it, you could lift it out. And then here's the kneading blade, which also just lifts in, lifts off. And then if you want to use the shredding or slicing disc, it's reversible, one side shredding and one side slicing. That just goes on top. And what's really nice is that all of the pieces do store neatly inside. Then your lid can go on and you just snap the sides down. It's so helpful to have a food processor in the kitchen. Hamilton Beach has designed this to not only help you with smaller tasks, but with this large 12 cup capacity size, you can prep a lot of larger meals in the kitchen as well. I'm really impressed with this model and how it's very user-friendly. And if you'd like to get the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor, I'll leave a link below for purchasing. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.